Hey friends, welcome back to Mini Kit Monday. I am working through some of these leftover kits I have for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I'm doing okay with that. I'm definitely working through them. So what I have here is I'm going to be using this piece of paper by Vicki Boutenfield Notes called Collect and Document. My background I'm going to use is Simple Stories, Snap Basics, and Elm Cream Ledger because it's wood grain. That is all the reason we need. Wood grain is a reason for wood grain. And I'm going to go ahead and use this orange piece of paper as a great border piece. I've got some more of these gorgeous pieces right here to use as banner pieces. Let me show you what I'm going to go ahead and use. This is a Scrap Squad Scrap Lift, and I realized I was ever so behind on them. So I'm going to use this one right here. And it looks like it was put up on October 1st. So I'm going to use it as inspiration-ish and see where it gets me. Now, I am not all that full anymore on layouts that I can do with this. Thank goodness I only have one more layout because I am going through these kits and that is the point. That's what we want, right? Yes, yes, yes. So my photos, let me show you them. And I'm going to pick 3, I think. These look just the same. So I'm going to pick this one, and one of these. This is my mother and our youngest pup, and we went to visit. We are socially distancing, so we were just in her backyard on a couple of chairs. And she kept trying to teach my puppy the word grandma over and over. So he's chewing along on a stick, and she's saying grandma, 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 grandma. That's what she's saying. So it's really kind of cute and funny, and she means it. Like for real, which is even funnier. Anywho, so I'm going to go ahead, like I said, use this wood grain. Now the Scrap Squad Scrap Lift is stunning. It is triple matted, but I want this wood grain to be showing. So, and unfortunately, this is the last full sheet that I have, so I need to hold on to that for my next. Ooh, that green is so gorgeous, but a little tiny bit clashy with her sweatshirt. Yeah, I don't know. How do you guys feel about this green with this? Like, yeah, the colors are just kind of close enough that they are clashy to me. That's a no can do, not doing that. So, okay, we're going to double mat it. That's fine. Not a big deal. Do we like this blue? See, that's going to the clashy with that. All right, using this. I will find a way to make it work. This is going to be great. Simple design. I'm going to like it. Now, what I do think I'm going to do is gut this paper because it's so gorgeous. Now, maybe I'll be able to mat some of my photos with it. That's what I'll do to stretch this just a little bit further. The back side is this gorgeous Vicki Boutin, but I already used that last week. So let me get cutting out. Let me get my ideas together. I'm going to go ahead and attach some of these goodies. Now, the only alpha I have for this is this green. So I might have to go grab another alpha. I've been trying to use up this wood grain one. Hold on, I'll right there. I've been using up this wood grain here over and over this month. I just keep grabbing it. It's called Marquee. It's a set of thickers, and I picked them up from Tuesday morning in 2019 in April, and I think in March. I guess I got them twice there. All right, so I'm probably going to bring that one in. And yeah, that's it. So let me get working. I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, guys, quick check-in. This is the base of my layout. And remember, the scrap lift I'm using is this. So you kind of see what I have going there. Now, they have 3 different blocks of, where your photo is supposed to go on theirs. And I decided to do mine in one block, and I'm going to have some foam on the back. And then the next thing they had, which I thought was kind of cool, were these fishtail banners. You see the green, the pink, and the yellow. What I think I'm going to do, because I do have trim in my kit, I've got this kind of a camel color. It was so nice. It's like velvety velour. I have a teal, which will work for that. My mother's wearing teal, as well as this really great brown, kind of, it looks crocheted. So I'm going to put that in place of the fishtail banners on each of them. And then I decided, how I told you I was going to use that wood grain alpha? I decided I would just go get This is my leftover alpha bin from Not Just for Boys Kit Clubs. I thought I should just go ahead and grab a black alpha from here, or this wood grain. More to the wood grain, but I'm gonna grab an alpha from there to be able to get my title in right here. And I don't know, maybe the wood grain. It's my very favorite alpha in the whole world. My very favorite thickers. They're called cedar. So, and that's gonna say grandma for that. And then I just got to put in some more bits. I don't know what the rest of the bits are. I just know that I want to get my title in and the trim on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And once I figure out what embellishments and all that I want to use, I will come back to you and give you an update. Now, chances are I'm going to grab some goodies that are from this Legendary collection. Now the star, oh, I have some gray left, but there's not gray in here. I don't know. I got to figure it out. I'll be back shortly. I know I'll come up with something. Okay, hold on. All right, let's do a quick update. I have all of my trim on here. I have my title on. My photos are attached. Now these pieces here are part of that Cocoa Vanilla line. So I have 1, 2, 3 that I think will work. And this is going to be a nice little directional piece. Do I do it right here? That might be cute. Or do I put it up here so we have something outside of the boxes? What you guys think? All right, so right now I'm thinking of right here, because I can put it along that line. I don't know. Although I do like it up there as well, but it looks like it's just floating around for no reason. All right, so let's do that. Then I went into my extras as well from my old kits, and I do have some of these metallic teal pieces. And I think I'm gonna try to bring them in where I can. I think that would work. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll see if I have any other pieces. Oh, and also for my current kit, I have these great little pearly bits, and I can use the brown as well as the cream in here. So I have that. I have tons of enamel dots from that kit club, but I'm trying as hard as I can to use the stuff just from this kit. This is my first edition. Oh, that's my second. Or is this my first and this is my second? Let me do this and see if I get enough traction or if I have to go hunting again. So now I have the pieces on. I use the metallic arrows right here. I really like them. See that? I have the metallic stars, and here I had this little tiny washi tape looking thing. Let's see. That was right here, and I just tore it into 2 pieces, and it's just enough of a punch to keep carrying that kind of nice teal metallic through. So now to go back into my bin of leftovers from this kit club, I do have these fantastic, they are like a matte gold kind of little tiny star. So I thought we could sprinkle them around into our clusters as well. I don't really want to go on top of this piece because it's resting on top of these on top of this ribbon stuff. So let's just go ahead and put that on. And that glue will dry clear in a little bit. Not worried about that. I have used these little gold stars like over and over on my layouts. They gave us a ton when we got them, and I got them a number of months ago. They're just really cool. So I thought I would use 3 of those to kind of beef up my clusters a little bit. I'll put one right there. I'll have 3 more left for my next time I want to use them. And then I think the next thing to do is get some of these really great pearly bits on. Now I usually like to use, they're by Zotz, and they are minuscule dots, I believe they're called. That's what I really like to use to put on my little pearls and, I don't know, little embellishments and stuff. But I'm out. Got to get myself to Michael's and get some new ones. And in case you're wondering, Michael's is 1 whole mile from my house. So I'm super lucky. It's not like I can't get them. Might switch out my location for this big bit. So that will be about it for this layout. I think it's really fun. I think it's interesting. Different design. Love that I got a scrap lift done because I've been trying to do that. Yeah, so I'm just going to get these bits on, and then I'll show you the finished product in a still shot. Bye, friends.